Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we're going to show you how you may do laser descaling from our old kettle. So we already made some tests over there and we're going to show it live. We have our Endurance DIY galvo with a galvo head and 10 watt DPSS laser. So let's get started. So now Pasha is carefully footed and a line in the center. So we're actually planning to remove to clean it up in the center, and yes, later on we'll do complete cleaning of it. Okay, we're using EZCAD software, and our parameters is 5,000 millimeters per second our speed and 50% power. Okay, let's get started. We have 10 repeats. Okay, it's very hard to show it. You see red focusing lasers. Wow, that looks awesome, like a Death Star shot from Star Wars. You can see that it vaporizes. Yeah, awesome video footage. So cleans it up. There we go. So in total it takes about 2 minutes to clean the entire center. I like that. I think that can be used in medical applications for cleaning autoclaves. So I think it'll be quite polished in the center. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's see the result. So look what we got. No need to wash or clean it up. Yeah, it's amazing. So what do you think, guys? Please add your comments, your thoughts, your ideas, and don't forget to visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.